FXBros.
Good morning. We are here. Wednesday morning live analysis. We did just get news release, ADP employment change. And we have news coming out in 7 minutes. Initial jobless claims continuing and the 4-week average. Basically, we usually have this stuff on Thursday, but I was told by Jay that Thursday is going to be a closure in the markets. I think they're going in observation for Jimmy Carter. I believe they're closing the markets on Thursday for trading. So that's the reason why we don't have any U.S. news on Thursday. And this news release that's coming out in 6 minutes, that normally would be the release for Thursday. So it would have been just a 7:15 ADP employment change news and FOMC, which is coming out at 1 o'clock. I gotta sign in. That's what it's telling me to do. Let's see the numbers. Okay, so we had ADP employment change just came out at 7:15. The consensus was 140. Previously, we were sitting at 146. They were expecting it to drop. And boy, did we drop. We dropped to 122. Let's see what the ADP employment change looks for. According to the ADP National Employment Report, non-farm private employment, non-farm private employment in the United States is being monitored. It is developed by ADP and is based on actual payroll data from around 24 million employees. Hires bullish, lowers bearish. We did drop. So we look here, this is a chart showing data points for all the news releases that came out. And look at this. Like it's showing me from 20, what is this? 2014. So we're getting negative numbers to 122K. Let's see what we're getting January 2020. At 202, previous 124. Numbers are kind of low. Negative 27K. Yeah, that was. Ooh. Negative 20 million. Big job loss. Hmm. Okay, so nonetheless, news came out negative. We got 50 seconds left, and the jobless claims are coming out next. Let's jump to the charts. So it's 4 hour and go that 2000. News just came out, and we got a bullish reaction. I'm gonna close a little bit more. My position just slightly. No, instead of my portfolio, I want to reduce the trade by 25%. We're up 80 pips on it so far on sales. 81. Let's go to 41. Yeah, market is doing this thing, baby. Doing this thing. More profits rolling in. Live, 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 live. YouTube live. You dig? Overall, market is still reacting bearish. Didn't really get much bullish push on the news release. I was monitoring how this candle is going to close above here or not. The fact that it did come this high, I did take off a little bit of profit because I was expecting it to push higher. Just took out 25%. Yeah. Obviously, it should have just disregarded that and waited for this candle to close to really see if we're really going to close a bullish engulfing. But I was just trying to be a little bit more safe with the profits, being that this news release just dropped on a Wednesday. It's not the norm. So, yeah. But it's nothing really to alter right now. We got all the news releases out. The ADP came out. Let's look at what the news said. So we have initial jobless claims continuing in 4-week average. The initial at the previous of 211. Consensus increased to 218, but we failed at 201. So that's a good thing. We want to be low on initial jobless claims. We don't want people to be jobless. Continuing jobless claims, people that just been riding the wave, following week, continuing. That was at 1.87 million, the consensus. So we were expecting an increase. We were previously at 1.84 million. And currently we are at 1.86, still under the consensus. So they looked at that as a positive, even though we are above the previous, so that's still negative. We are going up. Just not a lot of people joining. That's lowering, you know. People coming in for that initial, that's lowering, but it's still hefty. And the 4-week average, people that have been on it for 4 weeks or more, we're looking at 223 for the previous, 224 with an increase for the consensus, and we got a lower than expected 213. So people, the number is dropping off slightly. So it's looking like it's taking people about 4 weeks to find a job. That's basically how I look at that. Not to mention, next news we have is FOMC. Basically saying that the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve Board and the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, have equal authority to set interest rates in the United States after receiving recommendations from one or more of the regional federal bank reserve banks. The board makes decision on discount rate modification. The FOMC makes decision on open market activities such as central bank money levels and the federal funds market rate. So they're about to have a meeting about that at 1 o'clock. And then this evening at 6:30, we have retail sales and balance of trade coming up for AUD. So more and more news. Thursday, we're probably going to skip the live. And we're going to pick back up on Friday for NFP. Yeah, we're going to skip the live. Same here. A second. It's cold outside. Nigga, it's cold out. It's degrees, man. 29. Fucking bitch. Trump. This nigga trying to grab up Greenland. I'm trying to take people canals. Need to be worried about Earth and making our Greenland legal. Making Canal Street safer in every state. And it's a Canal Street in every state. What do you mean? Waiting to see if this hour closes to see how much influence we have over price during this moment before the New York Stock Exchange opens. With all this job data, it's not looking like much. The dollar's approaching that old New Year high it created. Going into, I did that on then again, that's after Christmas. We had another short week of New Year's. So I have to see that. But nonetheless, we back. I do want to look into Jimmy Carter because I didn't see a lot of news. Unless if he passed. January 9th. So his funeral is tomorrow. It's not a day to remembrance. I mean, it is, but his funeral is tomorrow. On Thursday, January 9th, at the Carter Home and Garden, part of Jimmy Carter National Historical Park in Plains, Georgia. He'll be buried next to his wife of 77 years. Georgia. Oh, she passed away 2023. He passed in 2024. Yeah, R.I.P. Jimmy Carter, man. It's crazy. You know, you were part of the restructuring, proper re-control. I don't know how you would look at it, but yeah, you made it possible for the Panama Canal to be given back to whoever had control of it in '99. And the ironic part about it is that we got Trump saying he ready to go take that shit. U.S. 10-year Treasury yield high since October 2023. I wouldn't say that. Yeah, I guess you could say that. Dollar index ticks up on the back of higher yields. Dollar goes up, AU drops. And the dollar go up, AU drops. Trump inauguration and U.S. labor data is in focus. The pound underperforms. Dollar rose for the second day on Wednesday on U.S. buying notes and the other major currencies into multi-month lows. With a report that Donald Trump was mulling emergency measures to allow for a new tariff program, also lending support. The already firm dollar climbed higher on Wednesday. CNN reported that President Trump is considering declaring a national economic emergency as legal justification for a large swath of universal tariffs on allies and adversaries. moles. A national emergency declaration to allow for new tariff programs report. What's poppin', brother?
Good morning, good morning. What's going on, man?
You already know, man.
You totally missed those sales.
Damn, for real?
Yeah, man.
Nah, it's all good. It's all good. It looked like it came over. Sales really reacted like during London session, so it was really no room to grab anything. I mean,
Yeah. And it wasn't really a I mean, other than like looking at the overall trend, it wasn't like a setup either with the color change. But I was asleep.
yeah,
That
yeah,
shit
yeah.
was going down.
It was just more of a hold and continuation type of move. It wasn't really no setup. I mean, you got the sandwich maybe on the 4 hour, but that closed at 4 o'clock in the morning. Like right after that bullish engulfing at midnight. And that's when I took off on that 4 hour. I took off half of my position on that 4 hour engulfing, and I went about my business. Looking back at it, I probably would have added more at the close of that, but I wasn't even paying no attention to it because I was like, I'm good regardless. If it hit my stop loss, which I had like I think good 30, 40 pips in profit for stop loss protection, like I was good regardless. So, but yeah, it's still entertaining sales. I just took some more off because I was looking at the 1 hour with a potential bullish engulfing on the 1 hour. So I'm taking more off, but overall, still monitoring the 4 hour. I think with this coming to a close, we got momentum to the downside with a wick to fill. I don't see us going too much higher. I really don't see it. Trouble. National emergency. That's hilarious. So it look like we are gonna get that potential engulfing. 1 hour. Got 30 seconds left. are pretty much done for news. Until 1 o'clock with FOMC, so we're probably gonna get a little pushing volume around that time. Oh yeah. Damn, there's no wick on that close on the 1 hour. I just said, I'm trying to show you something. Here, 62.20. That's the next level we're looking at for the 4 hour. But ultimately, it has to break. If it wants to struggle here, it look like we previously been struggling around that, but it needs to break above this 50% of the previous weekly range before we get up here. But it's still nothing showing signs giving us indication that the market is really ready to turn around right now. So good. Looking at the weekly surpassed this previous indecision candle. If you look at the weekly, we went all the way the fuck up here, testing to this dumbass gap market we had from the 16th. And then we traded back below this previous indecision candle. Still with 2 days left in the weekly to close. So also we'll keep an eye on that. Let's see how these dailies in 4 hours. So yeah, bro, I didn't know it was it's Jimmy Carter's funeral tomorrow. So that's one of the main reasons why the market is representing that and shutting down. I thought it was just kind of Remembrance Day or something. I'm pretty sure he's gonna have some kind of holiday or what have you. Damn, he was 100? That's what's up. Damn, he died on the 29th. Did you hear about that? What was happening on the 29th? And then 3 days later, it a horrible accident. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know Jimmy Carter lived to be 100,
Yeah, me neither. That's pretty cool.
and he died on the 29th. Like, what was you
December.
doing on the 29th?
What was what?
I said, what were you doing on the 29th?
Shit. Kicking
Um,
back.
that was Sunday. That was the Sunday after we came back from the holidays.
That's what I'm saying. We was kicking back.
That's what I'm saying. Like you was kicking back, everybody. But did you remember the news come over the thing saying President Jimmy Carter just passed away?
Yes, I do remember that, like in the news and shit. Yeah, I do remember
Okay, because I
seeing
was
that.
like, yeah, I know I don't watch too much TV, but I just didn't get that piece of news. But
Right.
that's crazy. 100. I can see how he won though. That nigga look like he a cool ass dude. Though.
Hmm. Yeah, a lot of people kind of fuck with him.
Yeah, man.
It's rare that everybody gonna fuck with you, but
And
he was a good man.
that nigga look good though. Like to be 100, he don't look like.
He don't look like a president.
Well, it was looking at him at 100. He still, yeah, he looked like somebody that I've seen in like the 80s or something.
Mm,
You feel me? Like he didn't look like horrible. When you start to get that 100, your eyeballs be grayed out, nigga. Your ear be hanging off your head, like you really be fucked up.
yeah.
But he looked pretty decent, man. So 100 years, man. Oh man. Yeah, man. Like I was saying earlier, probably gonna skip the live tomorrow, being that I don't think there's gonna be no market activity tomorrow, right?
Correct.
So we're gonna double
Correct. Like,
on it on Friday for NFP.
that's a bet. That's a bet, man. Look, I'm about to switch over to the YouTube and Telegram.
All right, brother, be careful
Um,
on the road.
I appreciate it, man. Yeah, it's still chilling some but how it is up there?
27.
God,
27, and I made a mistake by not bringing my plants inside. So my peppers and my tomatoes are gone. Bye bye. And I gotta restart the process because I mean
I'm
that
about to
won't,
say they ain't dead. They just not they not producing, like
I
they
mean what you
froze.
mean they not dead?
They not dead. If they still got like a stick or a stem with, you
No, it got
know,
the fruit. It's got the pepper like a fruit.
oh yeah, it's good. It ain't dead. It's just, it's just going through a cycle. Now, bring it inside and all that. That'll help and whatnot. But yeah, when spring come around, that bitch gonna come right back to life.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dog. Like nature. I done had plants. Like I said, bro, they done dug up that damn lily and everything. I was like, oh fuck, these niggas done dug my plant up. I got shit all over the place, and that bitch grew like after that. So it's like even when you don't see nothing, it should be going down in the roots.
Right. Yeah, that's crazy. Well,
Hmm.
let's see. Maybe it might come back to life. But I know I'm probably gonna start the process right now with the seeding because they say that's the best time to start it during the winter. And then
Yep,
once you start to branch out and grow, now you got the whole summer, spring, fall to just be fruitful.
that's a fact.
Yeah. So, but yeah. Other than that, man, yeah, have a good one, bro. Be careful out there, and I ain't gonna be on it too much longer. Probably like another 25. Probably go up at 9. I mean 8:30, maybe 9 o'clock.
Okay, no, that's a bet. That's a bet, man. Still the same thing. Still locking in for sales. I am kind of pissed I missed that overnight sale, but hey, it happens, man.
It happens.
It happens. What you don't want to do is fucking try and catch it and be on the opposite side.
Facts.
So,
I mean,
yeah,
you
man.
might be able to catch a smaller time frame re-entry. It's possible. It is a nice
Okay.
little size wick. It ain't nothing but 18 pips though, so it's not much. But you know, you never know with this continuation of bears. But we'll see. I mean, it's a lot going on. We got the. I think you're probably in a better position waiting for a Friday NFP move.
True. Or to be honest, wait till next week. Like
Yeah,
one would say this isn't an exact full week of trading because what we got
No,
going
not
on.
with not with the funeral that they having tomorrow and everything. Yeah, it's not a true full week, especially with NFP too. It's gonna be a lot
Yep,
of crazy volume. So yeah, you're right. Tomorrow, next week probably be a little bit better to just wait for that. Like a whole lot better.
for sure.
Yeah, that's a bet. Well, sure, yeah. Tap in with me, man.
You already know, brothers.
All right, peace out.
Peace, peace.
But, yeah, so like we said, we won't be live tomorrow. We're gonna be shutting it down for Jimmy Carter. R.I.P. You know, he was what president was it? 39th, I believe. 39, 39, 39, 39, 39, 39. But yeah, RP to him, lived to be 100. Nice, like 1924 to 2024. That boy, damn, I ain't gonna lie. Just off of what he's seen, I wouldn't mind watching a some kind of documentary or even reading a potential book he wrote just to see what he got to say. Not to really, not here to say I'm a follows people's views and whatnot, but to say you was born in 24 and you lived all the way to 2024, you had a nice little life. And the reason why I'm saying that in particular is because he was old enough to damn near understand and be a part of a lot of the big shifts in in different markets and economies. Especially with the Great Depression, working to support the war efforts and shit as a kid before we had child labor laws. Like he probably saw all that shit. Um, yeah, man, that's crazy. Definitely saw a lot. That's what's up, man. Yeah. clean with the fill. Got the 4 hour creating, starting to push bearish. We do have like 15 pips potential of wick to fill. The 1 hour would basically be fading this bullish engulfing on the previous 1 hour. So let's see how we get into that. 5 minute. $8:30 open. This high. Take out London's all high. It's a possibility. 62.28. Don't be scared of a push up higher to 62.28 or just roughly 62.30, 35. The reason why I'm saying that is the current London's high, and the market may want to reach for liquidity, so don't be scared if the market reaches up that high. Now, granted, it would need to be doing that. I mean, looking at this 5 minute, it would need to be doing that in the next. Fuck it, they need to be doing that in the next 15 minutes. These next three 5 minute candles need to be trending upward for that to be true. If not, I'm thinking you might be good enough to hop back in the sales. Put a tight stop right now. I'm actually going to do that. I'm playing with the house money right now, so I can take that risk. I'm going to lose $2. To risk that. Bitcoin has fell again. Like we had a bullish run up to start off the year in January on Wednesday, January 1st. Then to start off the week, Monday and the 6th, we had a big, crazy bullish push that moved us back across 100, and then we faded all that and moved back down within the next day on Tuesday. I mean, this bullish push was a big statement, so I'm unsure about what they're really reaching for on Bitcoin. Definitely reaching for something. Nice inflows to start the year off. Crypto, 500 billion. XRP doing decent. Still have pre-market. Can wait for the NYSE at least to open and see what they give us. Let's see what the Japanese doing. EJ gave us a bearish engulfing on the 4 hour during London, 12 to 4 a.m. If you caught it, you're still in profits. Still bullish since December, but somewhat in the ugly range. Overall, we want to be bullish for EJ. That's the main move. We want to be bullish. Looking back, going back to 2023, it wasn't until 2024 we had this somewhat of a consolidation state of this range. So EJ, AJ, nothing truly setting up just yet for this week. No setups. Somewhat similar scenario with the buys. DJ, pretty much the same. UJ, pretty much the same. But as you can see, UJ is kind of showing up more signs that it wants to continue its bullish run. So I might be up 500 pips on that damn UJ trade. GJ is in that channel too. Maybe looking to buy down up in there. See what I got. 061. UJ buys. I'm long at 153.76. 153.70. So I'm right up in here. That's what I bought. Off the bounce of this. But GJ expecting the highs to be taken out in this target. And as you can see, we surpassed that. Shorten down. UJ. Just went long, some more UJ vibes. I got back in on sales on AJ. See what the NYSE shows. Got tight stops though. Currently on top of the current 1 hour high, current 4 hour high. Stops above there, and I'm looking to fill that wick. Like I said, we got 4 more minutes before NYSE. So we'll see what kind of volume we get from that, and that'll determine if I want to get in. Okay. Oh boy. Alrighty. See if anything's happening on CoinMarketCap right quick. Market cap is down to 3.3 trillion with a 6% decrease, with a 49 increase in volume, selling volume. Dominance is pretty much the same. Trending coins, same pretty much thing. Nothing's changed. I don't know what this S is. Next gen launchpad that accelerates sales, provide additional trading volume, more transparency to market television. WA. What is SC? Okay. 6 million market cap. Cap. Yeah, that's all cap. Get your money though. Get your money, man. Bitcoin, XRP, Solana, Sue. Market is not that great right now. Just went through that meme coin phase, that bullish phase right around the holidays. And now we are back to normal with a new president coming into action. About 12 days, my nigga. Let's get it. Sales are pushing into profitability. Once we break 62 flat, we'll be good to go. And we're 2 pips away. Let's keep it rolling, baby. Let's get this extra 15. Extra 15 plus 24. We have our 15 to 20 pips. We got to the previous weekly low is what we're targeting. That is 61.80. Currently, we are 22 pips away. Oh. So we got a little money on the table. At least about a good, maybe a quick 5 to 10 pips. Depending on how much you leverage, that may be beneficial for you. If not, wait. We still have news at 1 o'clock. We got FOMC, and we have news tonight at 6. Let me see what's that. I think it's the retail sales, 6:30, and balance of trade for AUD. So we still got volume today, so it's not over with. It's not over with. You just got stuck out. That's it, bro. Still selling out. We had a little bearish push down now that we are in the stock exchange. It's open. We got a little push due to that. Uber, Tesla. ISM, Lyft, NVIDIA. Looking pretty decent. Market data is delayed. VIX is delayed by 15 minutes because of exchange requirements. To get real-time data, please buy the real-time data package. All right. Market opens in 7 minutes for the VIX. Well, we are going to wrap this one up. Just added more into sales. Like I said, got a tight stop at 62.10. Looking to take this all the way down to 61.80, the previous weekly low. We're going to monitor it. We do have news coming out at 1 o'clock. I am aware, so they got tight stops. Just in case everyone reverses on me. And yeah, we're going to just ride this wave. Like I said, tomorrow we're going to hold off on going live. We got President Jimmy Carter's funeral. And we're going to double back on Friday for NFP. So yeah, as you can see, as I'm talking, the trade is working out. We just crossed below 62 flat. Not by much, but it's working out. So we're in profit by pivot. So, but like I said, we won't be here tomorrow for live. We'll come back on Friday. Normally we wouldn't do Fridays. We'll do Tuesday to Thursday. But like I said, we got a funeral tomorrow. 39th President Jimmy Carter, the boy lived to 100. You know what I mean? But yeah, we will. We got to get it started, man. And other than that, We'll see y'all on Friday, man. NFP 7:30. All right, y'all. Peace.